NEAR is about to see a massive breakout to higher prices. In this video I will talk about NEAR and share potential price targets. And either if you're heavily invested in NEAR or at the sideline right now, I will tell you potential buy areas to get into a long position. So let's go straight into the content. If we look at the weekly chart, you can see that we built the all-time high in 2022. And after that we saw this massive crash to lower levels. We came all the way down into this demand zone where we started this massive push to the upside. And after this longer consolidation in this demand zone, we then finally saw this bullish push to the upside. We also broke this last highs, and we also broke this last high here with a wick. So NEAR is looking very bullish right now. And if we are now first breaking this last high right here to the upside, and if we are then breaking this supply zone to the upside, this supply zone which caused this last bearish crash, then the chance is high that we could see a bullish explosion for NEAR. And if you're using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low, you can see that we have the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level right here in this supply zone. So the chance that we could see a bearish reaction from this zone is there. But if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside and find acceptance, then the chance is high that we could see another explosion for NEAR. And these are the next really interesting price targets. But I think the chance is also high that we directly could see a move to this kind of price target at $13.19. Because as you can see, we have no big resistance area right here. So the chance that we go directly to the upside is there. And from the high right now to this kind of price target, we would have potential over 180%. And to the all-time high, we would have potential over 350%. And I think also the chance is high that we could see much higher prices than the all-time high. But for this, it's very important that we first break this last high and then this supply zone to the upside. Because if we are seeing some rejection right here, then I think the chance is high that we could see a larger pullback for NEAR. But if we're having a look at the total crypto market cap of the altcoins, you can see that we are in a bullish structure, and the chance that we could see much higher prices for the altcoins in the near future is there. And if just a small percentage flows into NEAR, the chance is high that we could see much higher prices. And of course, many altcoins did already pumped out of this accumulation phase, but NEAR is still in this accumulation, so the chance is high that we could see a massive explosion to the upside. So we looked for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for NEAR. First of all, we are in a clear bullish structure with higher lows and higher highs all the way. And I think right now the chance is high that we could see this explosion out of this zone. And if we are seeing a breakout out of this high, then I would either buy right here at this breakout, or if we are retesting this last high, because if we are seeing a breakout and retest of this zone, then the chance is high that we could see much higher prices for NEAR. And of course, if we're breaking out of the supply zone, retesting it, then of course the chance is also high that we could see much higher prices. So if one of the scenarios is happening, I think it's a great area to get into a potential long trade. But if we would see even lower prices again for NEAR, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because here, as you can see, we had this demand zone which was going to the upside, and then we retested this zone and moved to the upside again. So the chance if we come back into the zone that we can continue the bullish trend is very high. So if we are seeing a move into the zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think it's definitely a great area to get into a potential long trade. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like NEAR, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think NEAR is a very good project with a very high potential. And we are right now in this accumulation phase. And if we are breaking out of this accumulation, then I think the chance is high that we could see much higher prices for NEAR in the near future. And if you are looking for a NEAR trade, I would either wait if we are retesting this breakout, or if we are breaking out of the zone, or if we see a rejection right here, I would wait if we come back into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction and move then into a potential long trade. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.